Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel. Today, let's learn together about the 2021 VCE Physics. We will focus on questions related to two-dimension motion, parabola and circular motion. My explanations may need to be revised. If any teachers, parents, or classmates find errors, please feel free to provide your guidance. The horizontal velocity is constant at 6 meters per second. So, the horizontal distance is 6t. The vertical motion is free falling. The initial velocity is 0, and the acceleration is 9.8. Using the equation of constant acceleration motion, we calculate the time reaching the water below. Assume that there is negligible friction between the car and the track. The sum of gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy is constant. Using their equations, we calculate the speed on point C. During the circle, this car is in circular motion. At point C, centripetal force is the sum of mg and Fn. When the car just remains in contact with the track, the Fn is 0. Using the centripetal force equation, we establish the gravitational acceleration, speed, and radius equation. The sum of gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy is constant. On the other hand, this motion is circular, and we know that square speed is the product of radius and gravitational acceleration. So, we combine these equations and cancel the mass and gravitational acceleration on both sides. Since the height of portion C is 2 times of radius, we calculate the maximum height. The radius of the loop will have to decrease. Friction will cause the velocity to decrease. The radius is in direct proportion to the square velocity. If the velocity decreases, the radius will have to decrease as well. This is a circular motion. The rubber stopper is horizontal if wash supports are hung down. So, the gravitational force of wash support plays a centripetal force. Repeated measurements reduce random error. The tension was due to the gravitational force on the washers. Since mg provides the centripetal force on the stopper, we substitute the centripetal force with mg, and then establish the relationship between the gravitational force of washers, mass of rubber stopper, radius of rotation, and period of rotation. We calculate and write the gravitational force of washers with the mass of washers and periods with the average time for 20 rotations. The y-axial is the mg, and the x-axial is the reciprocal t-square. So, this curve is a straight line. Don't forget to draw uncertainty bars. Use 2 points to calculate the gradient of this line. Arranging the equation, we find that the gradient is equal to the product of 4 pi square, radius, and mass of rubber stopper. So, we calculate the mass of the rubber stopper. In parabola and circular motion, 2 multiple-choice questions are worth 2 marks, and 2 short-answer questions are worth 21 marks. The overall score for this section is 23 marks. With a total possible score of 130 points, the percentage for this section is 17.7% of the total score.
If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp, and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel, Dr. Lou's VCE Chemistry channel, and Dr. Lou's VCE Biology channel.